Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And at the right side we have a button Disconnect. So you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect and click at this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but still leave it at the device list. And if you select to Unpair and click at the Forget button, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this, click at the Forget, not Disconnect button. Now let's disconnect it. And as I said, I stop Bluetooth connection with them, but still have it as the device list, and I can easily reconnect them by just tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.